Alistair here from Measure Manage. It's really nice to meet you, and thanks for stopping on our landing page for part-time quantity surveying services. So who we are, basically, we're a freelance quantity surveying company in Australia, and we're here to offer outsourced quantity surveying services for your needs as and when you need them. So if you're looking on this landing page, you've obviously searched for freelance quantity surveyors, or sorry, part-time quantity surveyors, and yeah, that's definitely something we can help you with. So if you want to give us a call, send us an email. All our numbers are at the top, and we have a contact us page, or a contact us bit on our page as well. Look, and we'd love to just have a conversation with you, you know, where you are today, as to where you want to be tomorrow, really, basically. So so that's kind of that's what we'd like to do. So yeah, we look forward to talking to you, and all the best, and have a great day. Thanks very much. Bye.